Alright, so I got a call back from one of my clients that we worked for about a month ago. Did a sewer camera inspection. We had main plumbing cleanouts there in the front of the house, but there was a septic tank opening in the back, and I think they abandoned the septic tank, but it was closed off when it was here before, so we're gonna grab the sewer cam and go in and just verify that everything inside that pipe is closed off. Hey there.
Hi, Dan.
How you doing? I'm doing all right. Do you want me to just walk around the back?
No, you can go through here.
Okay.
It's
All
fast.
right.
It's just that thing. I want to make sure I'm not exploding anything.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Yeah, 'cause if I don't ask,
But you got all moved in?
Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff I need to put away. But I did my best between work and here. I went on vacation too.
Yeah, where'd you go on vacation?
We went to California.
Oh.
Which we're all tanned and born. So yeah, this one. Look.
Get the cap off. Well, let's put
Should
the
I turn the
camera.
water on?
You said you were seeing water run when you had it
That's
on?
what she said when the plumber came here. I'm
Okay.
like, are you sure? Maybe
Yeah.
this one is the septic tank. I don't know. It's very not openable.
If you want, you could go turn the water on, and then we could check. Yeah. Alright, so here's the openings. Got some random holes that used to be going to a septic tank back here, but now it's looks like the line is opened up. You can hear water flowing through there. Yep. Yep, there's water flowing. So we'll fire the camera up and go down both directions and see what we got. Alright, so we can see the water flowing underground here. Newer PVC pipes. So this is going back underneath the house. And dropping in some ABS over there on the side. Underneath the house likely. A little bit of scale buildup there. A little bit of a belly in the metal pipe there, the pipe underneath the house. That's as far as I can get underneath the home. Right there. I'm going to turn the water off so we can get a better look at the pipe. Alright, so now we have the water off, we can get a little bit better look at the pipe. And some scale buildup, some rust, some scale buildup on there. This looks like some more debris in the pipe. A little bit of a lip there. So there's a little bit of a belly in the pipe when the water's flowing, but it does seem to drain out good. This is PVC pipe. This is good drain pipe. There's your other clean out right above us, and that cap is what has been cemented into the ground. But this PVC line goes around the property into the front yard. So if we follow the pipe out the other direction, and that's where it curves around the house. We're heading south, I believe. There's your cleanouts at the front of the house. That's what we did the original home inspection, or the sewer camera inspection. We went down these cleanouts. So you're good out to the street from there. So we already scoped all these pipes during the original home inspection. This is just another cleanout located at the back side of the house. Might have had a septic tank here at one point in time. It just gives you more access, so you might want to get some better caps on this so they don't pop off. Other than that, I don't see any issues in the line at all. Alright, if you have any questions about this, please get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan. Thanks for using BPG Inspections. Alright. We're all good.
We're good?
Yep.
So
It's, can I show you?
yeah.
Just kind of tell you what's going on?
That'll be good, and that way you don't have to spend money.
No, you don't have to spend any money.
Yay.
No, you're fine. So what's going on is these cleanouts. So your drain system comes out of your house this way, and then it goes out through these. I'm gonna walk where your drain line is.
Okay.
See, all this was cut out, so they replaced the drain line. And this is just 2 more cleanouts like the front of the house. They just have 2 more back here.
Oh, good. So this is also a cleanout?
Yep, they just cemented it in.
Oh.
So it's kind of a pain in the butt that they did that. But this, they go down like this, just like at the front of your property. So the drain line comes this way, and then it goes out to the front of the house, and it goes right through those cleanouts up there. So everything that I scoped in that line was in the original line. In the original, it's just that I entered back there and I came through this way.
Okay.
Yep. So you don't have anything to worry about. There's
So
no
the septic
tank.
tank, where are they?
There's no tank.
There's no tank?
If there was a tank, they moved it or removed it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna, should I get like, you know, they say they have a map on what's the stuff in the backyard in case if I wanna put a, like if I change that to a mobile home,
To like
I
a
put
casita or something.
yeah.
Yeah. You mean like an like a
Like a
city map?
Yeah. Like
could
what's
add-
going on back here.
You could ask the city if they have any blueprints for any of the utility work that they did.
Yeah, in that way, like what if I hit something,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, 311, that's who you call all the time for digging. 311 on your phone, look it up, but that's who you call. They'll come out and they'll check for all the utility lines and plumbing underneath the ground.
Okay, and
They'll mark
are they
it.
gonna give me map too if I ask them?
They won't give you a map, they'll mark it with spray paint.
Oh, okay.
So they come out, they don't charge anything, but they come out and they'll locate everything and they'll mark it
Okay.
with different colors. Like
And then
they'll use green for plumbing, they'll use blue for water supply, and then they'll
Okay.
use, you know, like red or something like that for electricity.
And I remember that 311
Yeah.
for backyard mapping.
Yeah, they do it for free. And they do it, when I did it on my house, it took them maybe 2 days to get everything done.
Okay.
The first day after, we had like 3 different companies, because they got to send out multiple people. They got to send out one guy to check the water and another guy for the city.
Okay.
So 311 just calls all those places for you
Okay.
and tells them to come out here and check all your lines.
Okay, because I want to design this. I want to put turf. I want to put maybe a ADU over there. Tiny
Yeah.
home.
Yeah, it'd be
And
beautiful.
I don't want to be hitting anything.
No heat.
Yeah, no, like I don't want to hit.
Oh, hit.
any-
Yeah.
Yeah, hit something.
I
Yeah.
wouldn't want to hit anything either.
So yeah, 311, and then
Yep.
the city of Mesa.
Yep. City of Mesa.
Should I
Well,
just walk in there, or can I do that online?
you can do it online.
Okay,
That'd be
so-
the easiest way to do it. Yeah.
City of Mesa.
You can get a different cap for this if you want.
Yeah.
This cap is fine. It's just that if you have kids over, they could pull it up and throw stuff down there and cause problems, you know?
Okay, so-
But this is perfectly fine.
Probably they cemented that one.
Yeah. Yeah, they cemented it and then they couldn't take it out.
Oh, yeah,
It's kind of goofy.
it's funny.
Yeah. We might be able to unscrew it with a big pipe wrench, but
Yeah.
what's the point? Like, I can get in both directions from this one and I can get in both directions from the other one.
Okay.
So this, it doesn't even really matter.
Yeah. So
If
that
it's
one is
open.
fine. We can put the like a trailer here.
Yeah,
You know,
and
like
you could
the-
hook up to it.
Yeah.
That would be perfect.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yep.
And what about my van? We looked at it and we couldn't. We don't know how to open it. I mean, I know you're not
Yeah, let's take a
thing
peek.
like that, but if there's a hand.
Yeah.
My other friend looked at it and I didn't look at it. I'm like, I have no idea.
No problem. We'll see.
Once we start cooking and it smells all over the house and I have to cook.
Yeah.
Since he opened here and he couldn't see it.
Oh no.
dropped it.
Oh no.
But anyway, I'll get it later. I dropped it.
Both
again.
of them.
I
Oh.
am so bad.
Where's your light? Okay. All right. So you see that screw right there
Okay.
and that screw?
Okay.
Those have to come out.
Uh-huh.
And that screw have to come out. And then this thing you'll pull down.
Okay.
And then there's going to be a little metal flap on the inside that you remove.
Let's take a video of you seeing that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna show it to him.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, let's see. Oh my god. That's what happened when you do this. Okay, tell me where's the screw.
Okay. There's 3 screws up in here. If you look up in this, I'll shine my flashlight up in there so you can see them. One 2, and 3. 2 of them are on these slides, so this one in the middle holds it solid. So you take the middle ones out first, and then you can push this back or pull it forward, and then it'll drop. So you take out the middle screw here, and the middle screw on that side as well, right there.
That's 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And then you see this screw right here and that screw right there are still holding it. So you push this thing forward, and then it goes in the big hole, so you can drop it down.
Okay, cool.
And then you take the flap out to let the air go up instead of forward.
Okay. And this one is, oh, you can take the flap from in here, right?
Yes, yep. You shouldn't have to do anything
from
with
that one.
that part. Yeah, the metal piece should be on the inside of this.
The inside. Okay.
Yep. I think I still...
As you sent me the photo.
I know,
We
I think
couldn't
I still...
figure it out. We're like, what?
It's a pain. I
You
know.
sent me a photo, I'm like, I still couldn't figure it out. I'm like, what? What are you doing?
Here we go. Yep. Those are the holes that I circled. And those are the holes that are underneath.
Oh my
So those
God.
are the 4
I thought it was
holes.
facing here.
But they don't have the little holes in the middle. They didn't mark them on here, so they might have put those in extra just to hold everything in place so it doesn't fall down. So the middle ones have to come out too.
Okay, I see that. Okay.
Once you-
Understand now.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm sure we can do screws. Just we didn't understand.
Yeah. Yeah. If I start the project now, I'd probably be here for an hour and pulling my hair out.
Okay,
but-
now I'll have my friend do it.
Yeah.
Now we understand where to get him out.
And then, does it say in here about the flap? Yeah, there's the flap back there. You see that little rectangle piece with...
Say it again.
So this is the flap, that rectangle piece over the top of this semicircle. You're going to remove that rectangle piece, and that'll allow the air to go upwards instead of being directed towards the front vent here. So that little metal piece is just, you're probably going to bend it and you break it off.
Okay.
And then you'll be good to go.
Okay, thank you. I got that.
Okay.
I don't know how to rely information. It's pretty much good when I just video it.
Ah, it's okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I wish I could help you out more with that.
No,
but,
you don't have to. It's good enough that I know that you come back. I don't think I can call any inspector to do that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate your
Thank you so
business,
much.
man. If anything comes up, if you know anybody need an inspection, I'd be happy to.
Oh yeah, I will.
I'll be
thank you.
around. Yeah,
And I
you're
will.
welcome.
Yeah, I will spread around that you're the best inspector
I appreciate
ever.
it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. You're good to go.
Thank you.
Nothing to worry about.
Yeah, have a good day.
one. You too. And that's it.